Mountains are both beautiful and vulnerable. Millions of visitors, year after year, climb these sacred places. We must teach others to respect the mountains and preserve its natural environment. Summits all over the world are at risk. Mountain pollution and climate change is no longer a far-off problem. It is happening here and is happening now. If mountains are at your heart, it's our responsibility to raise awareness, to clean mountains practices, and show generation to come to honor these divine places. Suko, I know mountains are at your heart, and it's our responsibility to raise awareness for clean mountains practices and show generation to come to honor these divine places. I'm waiting for you.